TikTok wearing a dress like this, and she refused to actually tell where the dress was from. So I took a screenshot of her video and I do a reverse search on Google and I found it on Aliexpress. So hi everybody, in today's video I wanted to do a full collective haul of my we're past spring and we're in June, of my summer wardrobe. I got some new stuff because we're planning on being outside a lot more, and I wanted to share. A lot of this stuff is from Ross, a few pieces. Some of this stuff is from Aliexpress, some of the stuff is from Shein, some of the stuff is from Fashion Nova. So this video is probably going to be a little bit all over the place, and I'm not sure if I'm going to try on every single piece, but I'll try. But let's get into it, because I think I have like 20, if not 30 pieces. But anyways, let's start off with the one-off stuff. So I got this green dress from Ross. It is super beautiful, and as you guys know, green is very much in. It has this nice little split at the bottom, which I felt like was cute, and it's also one of these neckline, and I actually really like these neckline, and it's a nice ribbed material. I haven't worn this yet. I think I took a picture in this and I'll insert it somewhere in here. And I got this dress also. I felt like it's cute. I love the sleeve, love the ruching in the waist. It gives you like a snatch waist look, and it is also a mini. I don't know why I'm in the business of getting mini dresses, because I'm not a mini dress kind of girl. I feel like my butt is kind of big and mini dresses always ride up. But this one is more of the skater skirt, so it doesn't do that. But this is definitely a mini, and those are from Ross. This outfit, and I'll insert pictures. This outfit is from God Saves Queen. It is from like a Polish brand. It was a pretty penny, and as soon as I put this thing on, it ripped at the side. So right here is a big hole. I need to find somebody that can actually fix this. I know it's gonna take a lot of effort and work because this is lace, but I absolutely do not recommend God Saves Queens. This costs too much to rip. Okay, I'm sorry, I don't recommend. And if you're looking for sizing, I think I got a 8 or a 10. Let me see. And then when I look at the website, they had a plus size girl that kind of had the same body type and shape as mine, but they didn't have her size on the website. They only had the skinny girl size. And I'm just like, if you're gonna put a nice voluptuous woman up there, why not put her size? Like, it's just so weird. You're trying to get our coins while not catering to us properly. Not only that, I don't feel like it's a black person friendly site either. I went on their Instagram and they splash up like one black girl here and there on their Instagram. So very performative. And I've been super self-conscious recently about where I spend money as far as clothing is concerned. So when I saw that, I was like, I'll be getting the dupes from now on, because there's a lot of dupes for God Saves Queen, whether that be on Shein, Fashion Nova, or Amazon. So yeah, I absolutely don't recommend. Get the dupes. That is the outfit that I wore to Best of the Best on Memorial Weekend this year. Cute outfit, but I had to sew it up to wear it. Anyways, and then let's go to Aliexpress because I only have a few pieces from there. So I got this. This is a bodysuit and it comes with these pants right here. Super cute print and cute color. I still haven't even tried this on yet, but I got this from Aliexpress. I'll link it below for you guys. And I got this in a large. I also got this dress from Aliexpress, and I think this is probably gonna be my birthday dress. My birthday is literally in a day or so, so I think this is what I'm gonna wear for my birthday. It is a super nice fabric. I haven't tried this on either. I need to try it on. It's a nice, like, I don't even know what to call this, like a nice scuba or a nice, just a nice dress. I actually saw a girl on TikTok wearing a dress like this, and she refused to actually tell where the dress was from. So I took a screenshot of her video and I do a reverse search on Google and I found it on Aliexpress, and I also found it on another website, but it was hella expensive on that website, and I was like, I'm not paying that for that dress. And I got it on Aliexpress, and baby, it looks like the same dress, but they were charging triple the price, if not triple the price. And then I got this hat right here. Everybody is wearing these hats, these R&B hats. Also, these hats, the real ones, cost like $200, and I'm never gonna pay like $200 for a hat. So I got this off Aliexpress too. It's red. If you guys don't know anything about me, red and black is my favorite color. I also got a tarot reading recently, and the person told me to stop wearing a lot of red, and I know that they don't know it. I don't know if my ancestors were being mean to them and didn't want to tell them anything or tell them my business, but they told me to stop wearing a lot of red, and I haven't worn red all year except once when I did my body reveal. So I don't know what that's about. But anyways, I also got this hat, and this hat came bent, and I'm trying to fix it because it's supposed to be a flat hat, like a flat hat, but it came bent, and I'm trying to fix it, but it's not fixing. So I don't know what to do. If you know how to fix these hats, please tell me. So that's all I got from Aliexpress. Really, I actually have my eyes on some other stuff from Aliexpress, but that's neither here nor there. I also bought some stuff from this black owned brand, and baby, I bought it about the same time that I did these stuff from Aliexpress, and all know the stuff can't come from the black owned brand. I should have better off bought it on Aliexpress because I actually seen some of the stuff on Aliexpress now, but it's a whole black owned luxury brand review clothing haul thing that I have in mind to do, and all of my stuff can't come, and it's been over a month, and I'm just like very much over it. So let's get into the stuff that I got from Shein. So the first thing is this bottom right here. So it's basically a see-through tights with some built-in underwear in it, and it looks really good on. I actually tried it on, and I'm happy that it came with the built-in underwear because I've been seeing a lot of these see-through leggings thing. I have bought one from Fashion Nova, but it didn't come with the underwear, and if you don't come with the underwear, you have to buy underwear, and not every underwear is gonna look good underneath these. So you got to make sure that the underwear is cut at the same place that the pants is, all of that. Love this one from Shein. I absolutely recommend. And I got this in a large. Next is this two-piece set. It's actually a long sleeve shirt. Let me put it over here. So it's actually a long sleeve shirt. It comes with a pocket on the front, and it comes with some boy shorts that says coolest style. Kind of look like boxers shorts, the shorts that the boxing girls wear. And it comes in this nice pink, dark pink and light pink checkered print. This is a whole set, and I don't know why I got it in long sleeve though, and it's summertime, but I can definitely roll the sleeves up. And also I can use this long sleeve to put over a dress, or I can wear it more in fall time. But I love that set. I think it's super duper cute. The next pants I got is this. I don't know why I thought this was gonna come in a different material, but it's just in lightest cotton material. So this is how it looks. It has some wide legs, which I can appreciate, but the part that got me was the back. The back is giving what it's supposed to give. So this is how the back looks. It kind of looks like you have on a thong with some shorts or some pants, I should say. And that's why I got it. I felt like it was cute, playful, all of that. Also, this top is also from Shein, and it's from my last haul. This top, this pink lightning kind of abstract top. It's see-through again, and I got this in large. And I feel like this would be cute with my pink Jeffrey Campbell Versace Dupe heels with that pants, that black pants that I just showed you a while ago. I think those together would look really cute. Also, I got this crop top right here. It is a nice zebra print. It's in large. I know I used to say I'm not a crop top girl, but I keep buying crop tops for some reason. I guess because I've been in the gym and I'm a lot more confident in my belly area. So I got this. I also feel like this would look cute with that black see-through leggings. Super cute, trendy, love the zebra print. And then I got two more crop tops from Shein. I got this one right here. I love the knot detail on this, and I love the keyhole detail and the high neckline. If you guys don't realize, I love a good high neckline, especially if it's going to be a crop top or a top with a lot of cutouts like this is. I feel like the high neckline give it a more sophisticated look. For some reason, make it looks better, more expensive, whatever you want to call it. And then I got this crop top. This is very trendy, and it's been trendy for like 2 summers now. So I got this one right here, and this is a nice beige shade. And as you guys can see from a lot of these clothing, I either got black print or some form of color. I'm trying to incorporate a lot more color in my wardrobe, because I find that I'm just attracted to a lot of black stuff, and then my wardrobe becomes completely black. And I'm melanated, like color looks great on me, so I don't know why I shy away from color. So yeah, I'm trying to incorporate it more. Let's get over to the Fashion Nova stuff. Like, the Fashion Nova stuff is like stuff for you to be outside. When I say outside, I mean outside. I got these pants, and this is kind of like the pants I got from Shein, and I got these in a large. These also fit fine, but this is what I'm saying, you need to find underwear that's actually gonna fit, that's gonna stay up with these. And also I feel like this is, you can wear this out to the club, and you can also wear this as like a cover up for your swimsuit. So I feel like this is a great alternative also. So that's from Fashion Nova. And then I got this white jumpsuit, and this is a poster girl Dupe jumpsuit. I actually got this in an extra large because this was the only one that was left, and the waist area is a bit big. If I got this in a medium or a large, this would have fit amazing, but I got it in an extra large because it was the last one that was left, and I needed to have it because this was what I was planning on wearing to Best of the Best. And then I end up buying the God Saves Queen jumpsuit. But everyone keeps telling me that they can't fix the waist area. I find that the seamstress in my area, I feel like they have too many options. They have a lot of customers, so they don't feel like they can pick and choose the jobs that they want to do and all of that, which is hella annoying. But anyways, and I also got this jumpsuit right here. This jumpsuit is actually from Fashion Nova. It is in white. I actually need to get it dry cleaned. I don't know what the hell is this. I think I dropped juice on my clothes or something. And this is not a regular outfit, especially how it's made. So I definitely need to get this dry cleaned. But anyways, I got makeup on it and all that. This is the outfit that I wore in Miami on the all white yacht boat party. And this outfit was giving what it's supposed to give. I honestly feel like I need to wear this again because I loved this jumpsuit so much, and I actually had this outfit tailored. So I got this in a, let's see, I think I got this in a large. See if I can find a tag. There's no tag in here. But I think I got this in a large, or not a large, extra large if I'm not mistaken. And I went and had the waist tailored. So definitely go with your actual size. This fits beautiful. Absolutely loved. It was gorgeous. No one else showed up in what I had on, and I was super happy with my choice. I got the waist tailored, and I also got the bottom part of it hemmed. And then the famous black outfit. This outfit that I had in my other video, my chit chat get ready with me while on vacation. This outfit is a full jumpsuit with a zip at the back. This is also from Fashion Nova, and I got this in, I think I got this in a medium, and it fit amazing. Okay, it did what it's supposed to do. The pictures are top-notch, chef kiss that they took. I got, this is a dress. This is a bandage dress, and like I said, this material is the same material that's on the dress from Aliexpress, but this is from Fashion Nova. It's orange. It has some cutouts in it. It's super duper gorgeous. The back is all the way cut out, and it has a cut at the side. Amazing. Really, really like this dress. And I also got this tailored because it was super long, so I had to get it hemmed. And I make sure when I'm getting bandage dresses, especially from Fashion Nova, bandage dresses tend to be super tight. So this right here, is in a, let's see, and this is from the Nova Luxe collection. This is absolutely gorgeous, and this is in an extra large, and it fits like a glove. It fits amazing. But this dress right here, got this dress right here from Fashion Nova. It has a nice slit with some jewelry hanging down. I also got this in a big size because it was the last one. This was in a 1X. The top part is big to me, and I went to go get it tailored, but they're talking about they can't get it tailored. And like I was saying in my vlog, if like this was Jamaica and I tried to get something tailored, I would have gotten it done. But anyways, I need to find a black seamstress. So this is the next dress. This is just a one shoulder, actually just, let me fix it. So this is just a one shoulder black bandage dress. It is a midi length dress and it's absolutely gorgeous. I got this in a large and it fits like a glove. It fits amazing on me. And then the last, oh, this was supposed to be in the Shein section, but whatever. I also got this dress, this bandage dress from Shein. I'll have to try this on for y'all because it don't look like nothing until I try it on. So this black one is from Shein. So yeah, those are some of the items that I got to incorporate into my summer wardrobe. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below and tell me which piece was your absolute favorite, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.